Welcome to the Genius Tech Hub. In this video, we will understand what desktop and laptop computers are, how to use them.
A desktop computer is a personal computer designed to stay in one place. It usually includes a monitor, CPU cabinet, keyboard, and mouse. A laptop is a portable computer with a built-in screen, keyboard, and battery. Unlike desktops, laptops are compact and easy to use.
On a laptop, usage is similar, but the keyboard and touchpad are built in. Laptops also have batteries, so they can run. When you turn on a desktop, the operating system loads and shows the desktop screen with icons, taskbar, and start menu. You use a keyboard and mouse to interact. Both desktops and laptops share the same hardware, but their design is different. Best for gaming, video editing, and heavy tasks. You can customize with more RAM, powerful CPUs, and dedicated graphics cards. Laptops are best for portability and everyday tasks. Choose based on battery life, weight, and performance needs. Subscribe to Genius Tech Hub for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. And visit ageniustechhub.com for detailed guides.